In this video, I'm going to show you how to create quizzes from your sources in NotebookLM. So, if you open NotebookLM and you create a new notebook, which you can do by just clicking a new notebook, you can add your sources, whether it's a search or you can upload the files, or you can do any of these, copy text or website links, depending on your choice. And you've added, let's say we have added some sources in here, and as usual you can always click on add sources if you need to add more sources. Now this is your chat area where you can chat with the sources that you have added with clear referencing. Our target based on these sources is to create a quiz. So I'm going to come over to the studio platform and you can see quiz over here. You just click on this arrow and you can define the type of quiz that you want, and based on what, okay, number of questions, you can specify fewer, standard or more, depending. Level of difficulty, you can state whether it is an easy, medium or hard. So make it medium, and then you can define what should the topic be. You can define the quiz about the source. You can say create the quiz. Okay, create the quiz about the general overview of the AI influence in the Nigerian education system. So you can go ahead and say generate. This is going to take a few seconds, and then you're going to have a complete quiz for yourself. Alright, as you can see, the Nigerian AI quiz is ready. You can click on this if you want to rename, share, or view the custom prompt that generated this. Now let's click on this to see the quiz that we have generated. You can see the quiz, there are 7 of them, and you can edit. You can see, you can just take in, click on the answer that you have based on this, and then you can even have a hint if you're interested. Okay, so you can just click, and then you can go ahead, go to the next, click. Okay, you can go to the next, click, and then you can go to the next, click, and then you can even say explain. Okay, if you want explanation, you can just click, and it's going to go through the sources and then give you the explanation based on what you have. Go to previous, and then you can go to next also. Okay, and just keep asking, and it show you the available right answers. So it's just easy to just keep moving. Once you're done, you should be able to see the results of your quiz. Great, this is what you got right, wrong, and what you skipped. Okay, so you can take in another quiz, or you can review the answers like this one. Now it has explained the concept based on the quiz. So come over here and you can show the prompt like I said, and you can collapse this. Now you can open it up, okay, to be able to now visualize the quiz directly. Okay, review the quiz and retake it if you want, and then let's say we collapse back and then possibly collapse the whole thing. Okay, so you are now back in here. So this is basically how to create a quiz within NotebookLM. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.